So, do you have a YouTube channel and you have been struggling on how to grow your subscriber base, or you've been struggling on how to increase the number of viewers on your channel? Then this video is for you. Ensure to watch this video to the end, as I will be showing everyone this practical step-by-step guide on how to grow their YouTube channel, that is the subscriber base, or also to get more views on the channel through Facebook or Instagram ads. And if this is your first time of coming to my channel, you're highly welcome. I really appreciate you for stopping by to watch a video on this channel today. All you have to do is to click on the subscription button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that you're going to be among the first people that will be notified anytime I put out content on this channel. So I'm not going to waste your time on this video, and I'm going to be brief. Everything is going to be straight to the point, and the tutorial is going to get finished probably in the next 10 minutes. So let's jump straight into the video. The first thing that you're going to do here is to click on this create button in green. So once you click on this create button in green, then the next option you click on engagement. Now the ideal is that we want to get a video from our YouTube channel, then we'll run an ad to the video on Facebook or Instagram here. Then we're going to put a CTA, that's a call to action on that video. What it means is that we're going to put a URL to one of the videos on the YouTube channel, so that whenever anyone watches the video and the person is interested, the person can just click on the learn more or watch more, something like that, the CTA, then the person will be taken directly to the YouTube channel to go and complete the video. So probably once the person complete watching the video and the person is interested, the person can click on the subscribe button on your channel to subscribe to your channel, and the person can also watch a subsequent videos on your channel as well. So that is the idea of what we are going to do here. So for that, the objective that we're going to select for this campaign is engagement objective. So I'm going to click on engagement campaign. So the next option is click on manual engagement campaign, and we continue. So on this campaign level, you can just change the name of the campaign, very important. So we can just put something like YouTube view campaign, something like that. Then for the category and every other options here, we're just going to leave them the way they are and click on next. So you see conversion location. So this is very, very important. So the idea here is we want to get people to watch a video on Facebook or Instagram. So I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and I'm going to select the second option that says on your ad. Remember, don't forget. So anytime that you want to set up this kind of adverts to get viewers on your YouTube channel or to get subscribers, always use the second option. The first thing is use engagement objective. Then on the ad set level, ensure to use conversion location that says on your ad. And once you select on your ad, you just have to leave the engagement tab and the performance go the way they are. Just leave it, don't touch anything here. So what we want is to get people to watch a video, which is video view, and then the performance goal is to maximize through play view. So just leave it the way it is. Then for your budget, you can enter any budget of your choice. You see, you can manipulate around and ensure to put a budget that is within your financial capacity. So don't put a budget that you can't afford to pay, or something that is not reasonable for Facebook performance. Because the higher your budget, the higher the performance of the ad as well. Now coming down to the location here, there's something you guys need to know when it comes to location targeting. Now, you don't just have to target anyhow location. You have to target location based on your YouTube channel, like where you are getting a lot of subscribers from, the locations that you are getting a lot of subscribers from, and also the location that you are getting the most view. Let's say I'm in Lagos, Nigeria, for instance, and probably most of the people on my YouTube channel are from Lagos here, or probably Port Harcourt or Abuja. All I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on this edit icon here, and I'm going to select Lagos. So I'm going to target Lagos City, and I'm going to exit this serial line. So what this means is that since I get high number of viewers and subscribers from Lagos, I'm going to target Lagos to get more viewers and more subscribers from the Facebook or Instagram ads that I'm going to set up. Then the next thing is probably, let's say I'm getting subscribers and viewers from Abuja as well. All I have to do is enter Abuja here. and that is it. And if you are getting subscribers and viewers from Accra, Ghana, for instance, you can just put Accra, you target Ghana too. So the idea here is that you should target the locations where you get highest number of viewers and subscribers. So now imagine that most people that view my content are probably based in Nigeria and Ghana, and I am running an advert to target Canada or target United States, for instance. I am going to waste the money for the ad. I'm not going to get high number of subscribers or viewers because these people, they don't watch my video on YouTube. So it means I am just going to waste my money and I'm not going to get any result at the end of the day. So you don't have to do that. Then coming down again, you see this option that says reach more people likely to respond to your ads. No, I don't want this. So I only want Facebook to use the targeting that I provided for them. So I don't want anything that is outside of the targeting I provided. So I want them to work strictly with my targeting. And the other option here, which says a show more option, this has to do with the age range basically. So let's say your YouTube channel is for a specific age range. Or let's say someone that is into real estate, for instance. You know, like real estate is capital intensive, and probably someone that is of 18, 19 years of age may not have the financial capacity to purchase your product. So it will not be advisable for you to target someone that is within the age of 18 and 19. So you can just go from probably 25 years and above. So if you want to edit your age range here, all you have to do is to click on this edit, click on the drop down menu, select 2020 for any one of your choice, depending on what your channel is all about and the kind of age range that patronize or watch videos and some other engagement on your channel as well. So click on 25. Then for the language, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to select English here. I'm going to select English and that's all. Now, there's another thing that you guys need to know. See this switch to original audience option. Click on it, use original audience. Now, there's something I want to explain to you guys. Let's say your YouTube channel is niche based, just like how my YouTube channel has to do with marketing. Now, it will not be ideal for me to go and be targeting someone that is interested in comedy. The person may watch my ad but will never get to my YouTube channel to watch and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that means I just wasted my ad spend on that person. So if your YouTube channel is niche based, just like mine, all you have to do is use interest based targeting here. So you scroll down to where you have your interest base. Where is it? This detail targeting. So click on edit. Since I'm into digital marketing, I can just type something like advertising here. I can type something like advertising and select other options too. And let's say you're into photography. Your YouTube channel is based on photography. So you can type something like photography, wedding, and some other targeting. So sorry, some other interests that are related to photography as well. So you can just come here to type photography. Now you tap photography, wedding, and some other things that has to do with photography. Then you are done with that option. The next thing is placement. So placement basically mean where we want the adverts to show. Is it Facebook or Instagram, or is it the both platform that we want the ads to show? It's strictly dependent on you. So you have to go by the one that's working for you and your business. Let's say you are into skincare product, all this cosmetic and the rest of them. You know, like in Nigeria, people tend to purchase a cosmetic product more on Instagram than Facebook. So you can easily select, you come down to the placement level, click on edit, go by manual, and you uncheck Facebook, audience, messenger, and just leave only Instagram. But then for this tutorial, I want you to run on both Facebook and Instagram. So I'm just going to check Facebook and Instagram, but I'm just showing you. So it depends on where you are getting the most clients from. If most of your clients are coming from Facebook, you select Facebook. Most of your clients are coming from Instagram, select only Instagram. But then if you are getting clients from the two platforms, all you have to do is to check the two platforms, select the two platforms, and you're good to go. So the next thing now is to set up the ad. So I'm going to click on next here, and we are on the ad level. So on this ad level, let me show you guys what to do. You see, create ad. I'm going to uncheck this. Then you can just select the video. So the video that you're going to select here, make sure that it is just a clip, not the full video. Make sure that the video is at something 30 seconds, but it shouldn't be more than 1 minute. The video should be very short, like I said, and I am just going to use this to demonstrate to you guys. So probably the video that I want people to watch on YouTube, you can just get a clip of it. You can just get a clip of that video. So once you get the clip of that video, you upload it on Facebook here to run the ads to the original video, which is on your YouTube channel. Now, what you're going to do here is you include your primary text. So once you include your primary text, you see where they say add a destination, because this place is very, very important to us. So this place that they say add a destination, check it, then add your headline. Once you add your headline, your description, then this place is the one that is most important to us, this website, because you're going to grab either your YouTube channel link or a URL link to one of your videos that you want to promote. Very, very important. Then you put the link here. That the link has to come from your YouTube. That's just the idea. The link has to come from your YouTube so that whenever you see URL. So I can just come here. Let me just grab this URL for instance, and I'm going to place it here. Oh my God. Okay, okay, yeah. So just grab the URL and place it here. Then the next option for you is to select your call to action. You see call to action here is saying learn more. But in this case, since it is video that we are dealing with, I want to change it from learn more to something that is related to video. So let me search for video and something like watch more, and you put watch more, you put a link to your YouTube channel. Then the video that you're going to use has already been uploaded on your YouTube channel, but the one that you're using for the ad is just like a short clip of the video, not the full video. Because if you put the full video on Facebook and use it to run ads, people might watch the full video and they may not be interested to go to your channel again. But once it is short, like people want to like complete the story, so definitely they're going to click on the learn more, sorry, they're going to click on the watch more button on that ad, and they'll be taken to your YouTube channel to complete the video. And if the person is interested in your content, that is the videos on your channel, the person will also have to like subscribe to your channel so that he or she will be getting a subsequent update, videos and posts from you. So this is just the basic step-by-step guide on how to set up Facebook or Instagram ads to grow your YouTube channel, that is your subscriber and also your viewers, your views as well. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I have come to the end of this tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, like I said, please do. It is very important to me and it's going to help me to grow my community. So, and I hope to see you in my next tutorial. But before I let you go, if you have any problem regarding Facebook or Instagram ads, always reach out to me. I am here to assist you. And if you need help to get an expert to set up a Facebook or Instagram ad for your business, your niche doesn't matter. I'm going to do a great job for you. All you have to do is to send me a DM and I'll get the job done for you as soon as possible. And if you have any inquiry to make on this particular video, all you have to do is to go to the comment section of this video, put your comments there, and I'll do my best to reply you as soon as possible. So once everything is set up, the next thing that you have to do is to click on this publish button. You publish the video, sorry, the campaign. It will be reviewed and approved, and it will start running. Before you know, you start getting a whole lot of engagement on your YouTube channel, and before you know, in a space of like 2 weeks to like a month, you'll be getting 500 to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. I'm done.